Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Eaglefly. Today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for gap.com, so stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel Eaglefly, I upload promo codes for so many other companies. Like recently I uploaded a new video on Papa Morphe's, Old Navy, Kohl's, Chipotle, Turo, Shane, and so much other companies like Marco's Pizza, Papa John's, Walgreens, JCPenney, Subway, and so much other. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so many other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. Let's get start. So the code number 1 I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you free shipping with icon level Banana Republic rewards credit card. So the code number 1 is LUXE. Lux. This is the code number Lux. So this is the code number 1. Simply redeem this code and get your reward. So thanks.